In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and launch your very own live stream using our intuitive streaming platform. If you're a first-time streamer or perhaps need a quick refresher, you've come to the right place. We'll guide you step by step through the process, ensuring you feel confident and comfortable going live. So, let's dive right in. First, starting from your home screen, you'll want to initiate a new stream. You can do this by looking for the option labeled New Stream. Clicking on this will usher you into the streaming setup. You'll then want to select Studio, which is where the magic really starts to happen. This is the workspace where you'll configure all the essential elements for your stream. Next, you'll be prompted to allow microphone and camera access. It's crucial to click Allow when prompted, as this grants the application the necessary permissions to capture your audio and video inputs. This step is unavoidable if you're intending to both see and hear yourself on the stream. Now, let's move on to configuring your scene. Begin by choosing your camera source. This will usually be the default webcam on your device, but if you're using external hardware like a USB camera, select the appropriate source from the list. Similarly, you'll want to select your microphone source. A good microphone is key to ensuring your audience can hear you clearly, so choose the best option available to you. For added flair or interaction, you have the option to share your screen or invite guests to join your stream. Consider your content and audience when making these choices. Once you've got your scene set up, it's time to add some vital details. You'll want to give your stream a compelling title. Think of it as an opportunity to grab viewers' attention. Next, write a brief yet descriptive summary in the description box to let your potential audience know what your stream is all about. If you have a thumbnail ready, now is the perfect time to upload it. Thumbnails act like book covers, enticing viewers to click. In this final stretch before going live, you'll select the streaming destinations. These are the platforms and channels where you want your stream to appear. Choose from your configured settings, such as social media platforms or specific channels you've linked with our service. Make sure everything is double-checked: the title, description, sources, and destinations, to ensure that your stream is set up exactly as you envisioned. When you feel satisfied with your setup and preparations, take a deep breath and click Go Live. This is the exciting moment where your content becomes available to the world. Congratulations! You're now live, ready to share your stream with your audience. Enjoy the broadcast, and remember, streaming is as much about having fun as it is about sharing your message. Thank you for joining us in this instructional video. Happy streaming, and we'll see you next time.